Yeah, so you may notice that the video wasn't recorded all at one time because my battery kept dying on the camera there. So I had to charge, record, charge, record. But anyway, now with a simple wire, 2 magnets, 2 screws, and an audio recorder with the menu that you can do wave format of 5 kilobits, whatever it's called. Here's what we got. Audio up. Now, you do remember, I wasn't asking questions, I was just recording. It's exactly like the Panasonic DR60. No batteries in here. So, it's not playing this. It's actually playing this. Did we capture anything? Yep, yeah we did. Let's try that again. Now let's set it down. Let's set this down. You can see that it's coming in really loud. Are we correctly positioned? You want the sound to come in loud. You notice how the big waves? That's what you want. Hello, 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 hello. See, my voice is not coming through. Watch when I touch the magnet. Is it correctly positioned? Remember, look together. Yeah, it's coming through as well together. Interesting. How about on an angle? A little angle like this. Can also work together. Oh, damn. But try not to hold it so that people don't say it's your hand movement. Oh, it's coming in. It's coming in. Okay, so sometimes, depending on what kind of audio wires you used, together might work. But the secret is like this. Sideways. See that? The magnets have to be sideways. Then you glue that together once you have like this. Just glue the magnets together like that. Or else you have to constantly move it. People say it's going to be fake, but to be real, glue it together. And I just taught you guys how to make the Panasonic DR60. You no longer need the Panasonic DR60. That's how you make it. What did we get? It's that easy, people. Did he say? Wait. See that? Fast forward a bit. Anyway, it's talking there. And that's how you make the Panasonic DR60. 2 magnets, 2 screws, and an audio wire. And before you even thinking of thumbings down this video, go and try this yourself. Alright? Go and try it yourself. Now the audio, even with the Panasonic DR60, it comes in. Right? So to clear that audio, you would just need a low pass or high pass filter just to clear up the audio. And bingo, we can understand what they're saying. It's that easy, folks. I'll show you that in the next videos. So you want it to angle it a bit like this. Glue that together. Find where the audio is coming in. And then glue it together. Glue it into position. See? They don't... What did he say? Reline.